This video is dedicated to help you get rid of the fake human verification alerts related to the site newsjackohi.com. This is a deceptive site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make users basically click on a special allow button, supposedly to help them verify that they are humans and not robots. But to click on allow is a mistake, and this would hijack your browser with multiple intrusive advertisements that would be displayed in the form of repeated web push notifications. Therefore, if you have mistakenly clicked on allow, get your browser fixed. So access the menu, go to settings, privacy and security, site settings. Now in permissions, choose notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications and get rid of all these junk sites if you find them on the list. Finally, I recommend that you research the computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.